इंडिया रास्ता के नाम से प्रोजेक्ट गुड़गांव के सेक्टर 88A में है। इसमें एक्सटर्नल डेवलपमेंट का काम चल रहा है। ये प्लॉटेड कॉलोनी 10.01 एकड़ में है और इसमें स्टॉर्म लाइन, सीवर लाइन, वाटर सप्लाई, वेस्ट वाटर एंड अदर्स रोड का भी काम फुल स्विंग में चल रहा है। और इसमें हमारे अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 35 से 40 लेबर डेली काम करते हैं और इस प्रोजेक्ट को हम जो टाइमलाइन हमने दे रखे हैं 3.5 से 4 महीने में पूरा कंप्लीट करके दे देंगे।
Hello everyone, my name is Tarun and today we are standing at our India Rashtra project which is located in sector 88A of New Gurgaon. If we talk about the location, we are bang on 150 meter wide road, Dwarka Expressway, and we are also adjacent to the Super Expressway which is also called as NH 352B, which will connect Delhi to Jaipur and will also reduce travelling time immensely. If we talk about the proximity of this project, we are hardly any distance from Delhi. It's just 10 minutes away, and it's also just 15 minutes away from the Delhi International Airport. If we talk about the project, this is 26-acre mixed land use development done by Raheja Group, out of which we have only launched 8.5 acre of this land parcel, in which we have got 77 numbers of residential premium plots because they are lying bang in front of Dwarka Expressway, and there are hardly any projects in this vicinity which provide you residential plots alongside Dwarka Expressway. And if you talk about the project, we are also providing a 1 acre community center in which a clubhouse also would be there with all modern amenities like swimming pool, sauna, jacuzzi, etc. Everything, you name it, and we have it in our clubhouse.
Now we are talking about another project which is called India Rashtra, and it is a part of the much larger project of 26 acre. Name of the project itself resembling the uniqueness of the India. This project consists of mixed-use land development, commercial development, and low-rise development. So we are talking about India Rashtra project, which is a low-density, low-rise development. The overall project is spread over a total of 26 acres. While designing the individual buildings, villas or floors, we kept that thing in mind, not to give a repetitive look for the row housing. So we designed the elevation of low-rise in such a way so that it gives a look of much larger villas.
As a company, we believe in prompt response, we believe in problem solving skills, we believe in complete transparency and upfrontness. We do share timely construction update to all customers. We also share other updates which are must know to other customers. Please feel free to call us, mail us or meet us whenever you need any kind of assistance. You will always find Raheja developers and customer care team is standing next to you. Thank you.